Hello, this is Team 67 and we have prepared a website on the topic page replacement algorithms. In order to make this homepage look more appealing and intriguing, we have applied a background effect like this. Our website comprises of three parts: concepts, simulation, and graphs. In concepts, we have included a detailed theory about all the major page replacement algorithms. We have meticulously arranged the theory along with pragmatic examples. We have also added Beladi's anomaly and stack property in easy words for any user to grasp. The theory is written point-wise and good examples are given so that no one will have difficulty in understanding anything. The second part of our website is simulation. Here, the user can choose any of the algorithms. The user is free to choose any number of frames and any order of pages. The output displays a table filled frame by frame. At the end, page faults and page hits are also shown. The user can reset to reach the initial state. Now continuing further with the LRU algorithm, which is least recently used. Here we can see that the page which was least recently used is swapped out. For example, here we can see when the request 7 comes in, page number 3 goes out. Similarly, when request number 3 comes in, page number 6 goes out. We can also see the page fault and the page hit ratio here. Now the last algorithm is optimal. Optimal means best. Optimal algorithm calculates based on future requests. That is, the page which is not used for the longest time in the future is swapped out. For example, when it realizes that 2 will not be used in the future, 2 is swapped out. Similarly for 4. We can also see the page fault and the page hit ratio here. The heart of our project lies in its graphs. Here we have provided options for a line graph and a bar graph. There are a lot of tools integrated in this simple looking graph. To begin with, we can isolate a graph if required. We can also hover over the points to compare values. We can also choose to view the coordinates of a single line graph. Moreover, there is a function to zoom in and zoom out of the graph. The key functionality is that we can download this plot as a PNG. Here is the downloaded plot. User can also note that a Beladi's anomaly exists in FIFO. For instance, when the number of frames increases from 3 to 4, number of page faults also increase. When we convert this line graph to a bar graph, it looks like this. Same functionality exists here too. User can also choose to zoom into a particular region if required. To move over to the desired page, quick links are also given. Thank you.